Happy Learn, kids! A, B, C, D, E, F, E, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Y, and Z. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish.
G is for guitar.
H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for moon.
N is for nose.
O is for orange. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella.
V is for violin.
W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht.
Z is for zebra.
A, B, C, D, E, F, E, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Y, and Z.
Where is M? Which chest has the letter A?
Yay! It's the dancing apple! Great job! Which letter is missing? Which letter is missing? Which letter is missing?
Can you build the letter A? Can you build the letter B? Can you build the letter C? Can you build the letter D?
Can you put the letters in order? Can you put the letters in order? Can you put the letters in order?
Where is A hiding? Where is C hiding? Where is D hiding? Where is I hiding?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Happy Learn, kids!